Forest habitats. What is a forest? A forest is an area of land containing at least 10% forest trees. The trees may be of any size. The smallest forest size is 1 acre. What are some types of forests in Illinois? The major types of forest in Illinois include oak hickory, elm ash cottonwood, maple beech birch, oak gum cypress, oak pine, loblolly shortleaf pine, and white red jack pine forest. What makes up a forest? Forests are made of living and non-living things. Plants are the producers of food energy in the forest ecosystem. Animals known as herbivores get food energy by eating plant parts. Other animals, the omnivores, get food energy by eating plant parts and other animals. Still other animals obtain food energy by eating only animals. Those predator animals are carnivores. Decomposers feed on dead organisms and return chemicals from them to the forest to be used again. The forest has different layers within it. Many organisms live in and under the forest floor. This is a busy place where dead organisms are recycled into nutrients that can be used again in the forest. The herb layer is composed mainly of green plants with soft, non-woody tissues. Most of the herbs in the forest are wildflowers. The shrub and understory layer is taller than the herb layer, but not as tall as the canopy. A shrub is a small woody plant that has several stems rising from the ground at the same spot. Some shrubs are small trees that eventually may grow into large trees. Trees that are smaller than the largest trees in the forest are called the understory trees. The canopy includes the tallest trees in the forest. Their leaves and branches form a protective umbrella over the lower layers of the forest. What are the values of forests? Forests are very important to the environment and to people. Oxygen production and release of water. Forests have many trees and other types of plants. Plants convert water, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and minerals into food for themselves. Another product of this chemical process is oxygen. Plants produce more oxygen than they can use and release the extra into the environment, where it is used by many living things and in chemical reactions by non-living things. Plants return moisture to the air too. Storing carbon. Forests take in more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere than any other ecosystem. This transformation of carbon dioxide to wood helps reduce the buildup of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Erosion control. Rainfall on unprotected soil can lead to the removal of soil particles and water runoff, causing erosion and moving those soil particles to places where they are not wanted. Trees in a forest help to stop erosion. The forest canopy slows the speed at which raindrops hit the forest floor. The network of plant roots in the forest holds the soil and allows rainfall to be slowly absorbed. Wildlife habitat. More than 420 vertebrate species are dependent on Illinois' forests. More than 260 species of native trees and 285 species of native shrubs are found in Illinois' forests. Economics. Forests provide many recreational opportunities that also bring money to the community. Hunting, camping, picnicking, bird watching, mushroom hunting, and hiking are a few forest-related recreational activities. Hundreds of food products are made or obtained from forest trees or tree products, including nuts and fruits. Many forest plants have medicinal value, such as the pain reliever found in the bark of willow, antiseptic in the bark of white oak, fungicide in the butternut, and oil and expectorant from the white pine tar. Wood from Illinois' forest is used to make many products, and there are thousands of jobs related to forestry in Illinois. Where are the forests in Illinois? Forests can be found in every county in Illinois. What are some threats to forests? Habitat loss. Most of the original forest loss in Illinois was due to clearing land for agricultural use and for timber harvest. Today, forests continue to be removed for agricultural purposes, construction, road building, and other projects. Fragmentation and small patch size. Most of the forests in Illinois have been fragmented. In fragmentation, many small patches of forest replace large expanses of timber. This fragmentation has resulted in isolation of these forest plots from each other by separating them with other habitats. It has caused changes for the wildlife species living there too. Reduction in fire. Forest fires occur much less often than they once did in Illinois. Fires are necessary for the growth of some plant species. The lack of burning has caused changes in both animal and plant species within forests. Exotic species introductions. Nearly 1/3 of the vascular plant species in Illinois are exotics. They are not native to the state and have no established predators or parasites. Some of them are major pests in forests. Exotic plant species commonly reduce diversity by decreasing the habitat available and the habitat quality for native plants. Exotic insects and disease-causing agents have also become a major problem in forests. Dutch elm disease fungus and the viral disease phloem necrosis had eliminated the American elm as a common ornamental tree and had greatly reduced its importance in most forest stands by the mid-1900s. Gypsy moths, imported from Europe in the late 1800s, can cause enormous devastation over large areas. The larvae of this species feed on the leaves of most native forest trees and shrubs. The emerald ash borer is another exotic insect species that is causing devastation in Illinois' forests. These are just a few examples of some of the many issues that forests face. Good forestry management practices can help save our forests and their inhabitants for many years to come.